Bonjour everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. My name is Luisa, you are watching Lulu C'est la vie, and for today's video I'm gonna try something new. I'm gonna try a new curling technique called the clumping method. I think I pronounced this right. I was inspired to do this by one of my followers on Instagram. We've been talking back and forth and she's been asking me questions about the clumping method, and I realized that I've never really tried this method, so I did a little bit of research. I came across a YouTuber's channel who uses this method and does a really good job at it. Her name is Kinky Curly Courtney. I will link her channel in the description box if you guys want to check out her channel. And I followed her clumping method, her clumping technique, and to be honest, you guys, I kind of like the end result. I was not expecting that at all. All right, so how did I start my day? Well, by going to the gym, first of all. No, actually that's wrong. By dropping Ella off to school. Then I went to the gym. So I got home and I washed my hair with shampoo and conditioner. Once I was done with that, I applied a little bit of a mask, to which I apply some heat for about 10 minutes. Once I was done with the heat, I went ahead and rinsed my hair off. I did not take the water out of my hair. I kept all the water in my hair and I started to brush my hair with my head upside down. And that is the last time I used a brush in my hair, which is a big deal for me. If you guys follow me, you know that I always put a comb, a brush, I rake and shake and scrunch and hand curl and all that. There's always a brush or a comb in my hair while styling. So that was the last time I used a brush or a comb in my hair. So then it was time to apply my products. So not only did I try a styling technique that I've never tried before, but I went ahead and tried a new line of product to which I was not really familiar with. So I was definitely out of my comfort zone today. Okay, so the leave-in conditioner that I put in my hair is a Not Today from Kinky Curly. First time ever using this hair conditioner. Because my hair was soaked, I was comfortable putting a little bit more than I would have on the first time, because I knew that half of it, 50% of it, was going to be gone with the water anyway. So I went ahead and applied that and started to scrunch my hair up to create that clump curl definition. Then I applied the gel. I used the gel from the same brand, Kinky Curly, and the gel is called Curl Custard. I've been playing with this gel for about a week now, but I've been using it with my regular styling technique, which is again hand curling, rake and shake, scrunching. And throughout the week, every time I used it, it was either I put too much or not enough. And for the first time, I think I got the right amount in my hair. Again, my hair was soaked when I put it in, so I went ahead and put a little bit more than I would have if I was to style my hair regularly. Once I was done applying the product, I went ahead and scrunched that hair for about 2 minutes to make sure that the curl pattern was done. I did not shake my hair, I just used my hand and scrunched them up. Alright, so next it was time to plait my hair up. This is something that I never do because I just don't know how to do it properly and I don't understand how this is supposed to work. But after watching Courtney's video, it kind of makes sense. So I went ahead and took my microfiber towel and I just put my hair in there kind of loosely, and I plumped my hair up for only 5 minutes. Why? Because I look at the time and I was like, oh my gosh, if I have to finish this video, I cannot spend 20 minutes plumping my hair up. So I left it for 5. I took the towel out and I scrunched my hair. I scrunched the excess water out of my hair as much as possible, trying not to disrupt the clumping, the curl pattern, trying not to create too much frizz. That was challenging. Then I went ahead and diffused my hair. Now the diffusing technique was quite different from what I usually do. Usually I would go in and out all around my hair. When I used to have long hair, I would put my hair on the countertop on a towel and then I would just dry like that. Bon. This time I had to diffuse my hair in one section for a long period of time, because again, we're trying not to disrupt the clumping of the hair, right? So I had to stay on one position for at least a minute, let it dry as much as possible, play with the heat, play with the cold hair, the hot hair, and then move on to another section and then stay there for a long period of time. And then it took me forever to dry my hair. But eventually, after about 15 minutes of drying my short hair, I was done, and the result was pretty satisfying. Okay, so once I was done drying my hair, I had one more step to do. I had to break the cast. The thing is that with this line of product, the Kinky Curly, the cast is not strong at all. So I didn't really have much to break, but nevertheless, I broke it anyway. And to do that, I used 2 drops of oils in my hand, and I went ahead and scrunched my hair. Once that was done, I was pretty much done, and there is the end result. All right, so let's talk about the pros and cons of this styling technique. Let's start with the cons. This styling technique is not something that is fast and that you're gonna be out the bathroom in 10 to 12 minutes. This is a long process, and it will work for you if you are able to maintain your curls on day 2 and day 3. It makes sense to spend day 1, to spend a long time on day 1, if you are able to maintain your curl pattern for at least 2 to 3 days. Personally, I I'm not able to do that. By tomorrow morning, my curl pattern is going to be messed up. Therefore, I'm not sure I'm going to be able to maintain this styling technique for too long. I need things to be fast, but I will work on it. I can guarantee you that. The second con I have is the fact that you use a lot more product than you would. So you go through your product faster, and half of that is just gone with the amount of water that gets out of your hair. So that's one thing to take in consideration. Another thing is I do feel like there is more products all over my hair, especially on my scalp, than if I was doing my regular styling technique. Therefore, you have to be very careful on the quality of the products that you put in your hair. Also, if you clump it up and you leave it there for 10 to 20 minutes, it's infusing in your head and it definitely gets in your bloodstream. I was comfortable doing it with the line of product that I use today because the list of ingredients in those products are very natural. I just want you guys to be aware that if you're using cheap drugstore products, or line of products that have a long list of names that you cannot pronounce, and lots of silicone and lots of aggressive agents, it will be absorbed by your body and it will have an effect on your body. So be aware of the amount of carcinogen that are in the product that you use when you used this technique. Okay, now let's talk about the pros. The first positive thing is that my hair does not feel weighted down. When I decided to try this technique, I was really concerned about having weighted down hair and losing my volume, and it's actually not the case at all. The second positive note is that my hair is super shiny and very hydrated. The fact that you put those products on your hair while it's soaking wet allows to lock the moisture in, and it really shows. Like, it's, my hair's never been that hydrated without being weighted down, so that's a big plus. Another plus is that my curl pattern is really nice. I don't even want to disrupt the curls, but look at this. And this is like my natural curl pattern, because really I did not hand curl anything. I just scrunch and, you know, whatever happens happens. So when I go and look at my wavy hair, which is right there, I also have really pretty waves. So yeah, I'm very happy with the fact that it's my natural curl pattern and it looks really nice. All right, you guys, well, this is my first time doing this, like I've been saying throughout the video, so I still have a lot to figure out and a lot to learn. Tonight I am most definitely gonna have a pineapple hairstyle and sleep with that on a satin pillowcase, and we'll see how my hair looks like in the morning. Okay, hey guys, all right, it's the next morning. I just wanted to come in front of the camera real quick before heading to the gym. It is currently 9 a.m. I woke up at 6 a.m. and this is the hair that we are dealing with. I'm just gonna show you real quick. All right, so when I look at myself in the mirror right now, I'm not too mad at what I see. It's actually a better overall look than when I wake up on a regular day. I took a look at the footage that I did yesterday, and when I saw myself on my computer, I realized that there's a lot of frizz, and I did not mention that because I did not notice it yesterday. I was so amazed by the overall look of my hair, how nourished, how hydrated my hair looked, that I completely I did not see the frizz at all. So I just want to mention that I acknowledge the frizz that I had yesterday. It personally did not bother me because of the overall look of my hair and the feel of my hair, so how my hair felt. So that's that. Again, first time doing this method, so there's a lot of room for improvement. But when my hair feels and look that good, I don't mind a little halo of frizz. It kind of look healthy and natural, so I don't mind that. I do mind frizz where when my hair does not have defined curl and looks dry and dull. But yes, I will try to do better next time, which is probably going to be after working out today, because when I work out I sweat a lot, so I'm gonna have to cleanse my scalp. So I'm gonna have to restyle everything again. All right, my loves, I am back. It's been a couple hours since I last saw you. Okay, so I went to the gym. I came back from the gym. I had food. I took a shower, washed my hair again with shampoo and conditioner. Yes, I did again because I work out so hard. I was sweating a lot, and in my book, sweat and products, it's a recipe for disaster. So I had to cleanse my scalp again. This time I did not do a mask, but I applied the product under the shower with my hair soaked, and I applied the same product I did yesterday. I used the same technique. The thing that I did differently is this time I plopped my hair up as I was stepping out the shower, not at the same time. I plopped my hair up and then I stepped out the shower. Dry my body, put lotion on my body, figure out what I was going to wear today, did my makeup, and then I took out the microfiber towel. So that means that my hair was plopped up for about 10 to 12 minutes. Once I took out the microfiber towel, I scrunched the excess product and kind of like scrunched my hair to give it a nice little curl definition, I guess. And then I started to diffuse my hair. This time I look at the time when I started diffusing my hair, and it took me exactly 15 minutes to diffuse my hair. I have to say that I've been using the curling custard for about a week, and I noticed that when I was using this product, my hair took a lot longer to dry. So my diffusing time when I use this product is already longer. Now that I'm doing this plopping technique, it takes even longer. Usually I'm at 6 minutes with short hair to diffuse my hair, and now I can double that. So that's that. Now it took about 20 minutes for my hair to settle down and start to fluff up a little bit. At first I was concerned that I may have put too much product, but this line of product is pretty lightweight, so I feel like as the days going by, my hair is gonna fluff more and more. I don't know if you guys can see, but I have a lot less frizz than yesterday. And then what else can I say? I really want to stress on the fact that when you use this technique, your scalp is infused, is marinating in the product that you put. When you plop your hair up, you have your body heat that is being contained in a towel. It opens your pore, and whatever product you put in your hair is going to go straight into your skin and into your bloodstream. So you guys, when you do this plop up technique, when you do this clump technique, make sure that the products that you use are as close to natural as possible. If there's any carcinogen or any product that's gonna disrupt your hormones or anything like that, you will probably feel the side effect of that after a few months. So be extra careful of the list ingredient of the product you use if you're doing this technique, especially after what's going on with the Diva Curl situation. If we learn anything from that, is that we need to be very careful on how we apply these products on our hair and the list of ingredients. You guys, this is I know I'm gonna start to pay a lot more attention to that. All right, what else did I want to say? Tomorrow I'm not gonna go to the gym, so I am hoping that I can just go about my day with whatever is left of my curls. I'm not sure how that's gonna go, but we'll see. And then that's it. I think I'm pretty much done with this video. I hope it's not gonna be a half-hour video. I'll do my best at editing so it stays short, but I really wanted to show you what happened on day 2. All right, so now time for my little announcement. If you guys want to share your curly journey on my channel, I am planning on doing a video where it's all gonna be about your experience with the curly girl journey. Can you please, pretty please send me 2 beautiful pictures of your curl, one before you started the journey and one of you right now. Even though you don't think you are done with your journey, even if you think you're in the middle of your journey, you already have a progress, and I want to celebrate that. Even if it's a small progress, it will give other people hope and it will motivate them to do the same and to keep going. So don't forget to date those photos, the month and the year of before and the month and the year of after or now. Send me a short text where you explain why you started the journey, what kind of damage you had in your hair. Was it chemical? Was it heat, neglect? And the few bumps you got in the way. Did you do a big chop? Did you decide to let your hair grow and then cut a little bit every month? And then finally, tell me what is your styling technique that you use right now and your favorite products. If you have a Facebook group, an Instagram, or a YouTube channel that you would like to share, please send it to me in your email. I will be happy to share it too. All right, my loves, I am done with this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I will see you guys next week with a new video. Until then, my loves, have a beautiful life. Au revoir et à bientôt.
Hey, c'est la vie.